$99.79 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe, $5,500. Vallejo, California. A budget-friendly entry into the world of classic Chevy trucks, this C10 features a strong-running 305 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. With only 62,000 miles, it includes working air conditioning, a functional radio, trailer hitch with brake controller, and even the original spare tire. While there are some rust spots and out-of-state plates, the clean title and solid drivetrain make this truck a dependable vintage hauler with great potential for restoration or daily use. Number 2, 1972 Chevrolet C20 pickup, $6,500, Beaverton, Oregon. This reliable 3/4-ton C20 has proven its worth over decades, having been used seasonally for hauling hay. With a blue exterior and 8-cylinder engine, it features a rebuilt motor installed in 1987, HEI ignition, and updated components such as a new battery, starter, and alternator. Despite the odometer rollover, its condition reflects careful ownership. A true workhorse with strong bones, ideal for those seeking a classic pickup with character and history. Number 3, just 1968 Ford F-250, $7,300, Paradise, California. Equipped with a straight 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, this F-250 is ready to go to work. The seller has installed a new radiator, battery, heavy-duty lumber rack, and toolbox. Though the odometer is broken, the truck reportedly runs exceptionally well. Its rugged simplicity, combined with power steering and brakes, make it a solid vintage choice for practical use or project potential. Number 4, 1960 International Harvester, $8,500 at Grants Pass, Oregon. This farm-born survivor is an all-original 1960 International Harvester half-ton with a 304 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. With only 70,500 original miles and surface rust only, it's a true rarity in the classic truck world. Recent upgrades include new tires and battery. The vehicle is mechanically sound, all lights and glass are intact, and it retains its rugged charm. IH trucks are known for being overbuilt, making this an excellent candidate for restoration or preservation. Number 5, 1973 Ford F-100 Ranger, $11,900, Edgemont, Arkansas. This rust-free southern long bed pickup is exceptionally preserved. Featuring a 360 V8, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and working air conditioning, it stands out with a tasteful patina paint job. The interior is clean, and dual exhaust adds a subtle performance touch. With only 21,197 miles on the odometer, this F-100 is both collectible and drivable, an ideal choice for Ford fans looking for a turnkey cruiser. Number 6, 1984 GMC Sierra Classic Short Bed 4x4, $13,800, Portland, Oregon. A standout in the square body era, this short bed GMC Sierra is in excellent condition with a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 108,000 miles. It comes well equipped with power windows, power door locks, tilt wheel, air conditioning, and rally wheels wrapped in new tires. The body and paint appear clean, making this a great example of a ready-to-enjoy classic 4x4 that's becoming increasingly desirable among collectors. Number 7. 1972 Ford F-250 Highboy, $12,500. Fair play, California. This project truck is a rare Highboy bump side camper, special sitting on a 1974 Ford Audi Dodge chassis. It features a rebuilt 390 V8 C6 automatic, Dana 44 front axle with disc brakes, and Dana 60 rear, both with 4.10 gearing. Though the body is loosely mounted and the truck requires assembly, the clean California title and excellent sheet metal offer a fantastic opportunity for serious restorers. A sought-after model with massive off-road potential once completed. Number 8. 1964 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $11,500, Rocklin, California. This classic C10 has seen major cosmetic and mechanical work, including a fresh paint job and redone wood bed. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine with a floor-shifted 3-speed manual, it runs and drives excellently, having proven itself on long trips. The interior is nicely restored, and the truck presents very well overall. It's a charming driver with clean lines and high thumbs-up appeal, perfect for enthusiasts who appreciate simplicity and style. Number 9. 1957 GMC 100, $7,500. A mid-century classic, this 1957 GMC 100 is equipped with its original drivetrain, a Pontiac 347 V8 and 4-speed manual. Though the truck shows signs of wear, including rust and a dented front fender, the floorboards are solid and it remains a capable town driver. With a clean title and local ownership history, this is a solid platform for a restoration or preservation project of a rare and desirable model year. Number 10. 1960 Chevrolet C20 Long Bed, $6,500, Paris, California. Offered by its original owner, this C20 is a rust-free California truck with a clean title and 49,000 miles on the odometer. It features a V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, powder-coated frame, new shocks, and a fresh plywood bed. It's ideal for those looking for an unrestored but functional vintage truck. Ready to drive or restore, this straight, no-hassle workhorse has decades of life left in it. Number 11. 1979 GMC Sierra Grande SWB, $9,500. Salem, Oregon. This short wheelbase 1979 GMC Sierra Grande is a strong runner, powered by a 350 V8 mated to a turbo 400 transmission. It has a clean title and has received a new exhaust system. The exterior displays a natural patina with minor rust bubbles, but is otherwise intact. For fans of late 70s GM trucks, this is a great opportunity to own a clean, mostly original square body that offers both power and presence. Number 12. 1977 Chevrolet C50 dump bed, $6,500, Stanwood, Washington. An excellent example of a heavy-duty classic, this C50 flatbed with dump functionality features a 350 V8, 4-speed manual transmission, and 18 at 500 GVWR. The truck has been maintained with a new interior, new radiator, upgraded lighting, and new starter. Despite the odometer rollover, it runs strong and is ready for farm, construction, or parade use. For those needing utility with vintage flair, this one delivers.